That's that was a huge bump. And of course, there's one turbo nozzle that's stuck.
It's doing the tires right now, that's why.
Yeah, tire and wheel cleaner.
Yep. At first I thought it was just going by itself.
Never heard the motor like that before.
Me neither. Honestly, probably got some soap in there or something.
It's gonna smell good.
Oh, yes it is. Not gonna lie, this always smells like the dentist office.
Satisfying?
Oh, absolutely.
Here come the big ones. It smells like bubble gum.
It does. It smells like bubblegum toothpaste.
Now for the top brush.
Mm-hmm. Now that's satisfying.
Yeah.
Me out because it's like, is the car moving or is it the actual thing?
Oh yeah, some people are tricked out by these in-bay automatics. Right there.
Wow.
Got the light show. It's kind of shaking the car, I can feel it.
Same.
color wave.
It now smells like mint.
Now it's gonna do the waterfall effect.
Talk about satisfying.
Oh yeah.
Smells like a tire shop.
A little bit.
Here comes the spray bottle.
I don't know which chemical this is because of the lack of signage.
You know what? Honestly, probably the wax or something.
Probably.
Either that or the metal cleaner.
Oh, there's the piano right there. Ryko Solutions, Grimes, Iowa, Softgloss Maxx.
Oh, nice.
And also the buzzer, that gray box thing.
Oh. Yes, the wax. That's the tire smell.
Yeah.
Did you hear that squeak?
No. But like you can see Softgloss Maxx 5 up there, and there's the sonar sensor
Where?
up here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, there's the buzzer.
Yep. Wonder how that is not deteriorated yet.
Oh, I think they're all weather. So like they're built to withstand the different weather conditions.
Ah. And what do the lights do? I've always wondered.
Light show. Yeah, you can see Softgloss Maxx 5 up there and the sonar sensor. And now for the SlimLine dryers. Those sound so good.
Ooh, they do. Whoa, you can feel the cool air.
Probably because I have it on fresh air.
You have a fresh air button? Nice.
Yeah, all you gotta do is turn off the recirculate.
Oh, nice.